I'm happy, as a servant of the Dominican Republic and its government, to play our part in supporting the education of your youth. The journey we undertaken here with Clan Carthy Primary School through the Dominican Republic Adoption Program has been nothing short of inspiring. Over the past 2 years, we've created a model of cultural exchanges. I was further connected to this institution when I learned of the tragedy that took place here some years ago, with the unfortunate passing of Benjamin Bair. It was overwhelming to learn of the circumstances that led to his death. I knew that we have to do something special for this school. Today, we are at the culmination of this incredible period. We dedicate this day to Benjamin. Education is the cornerstone of our progress, and in today's interconnected world, access to technology is a vital component on that journey. In response to the needs expressed by the authorities of this institution, Mrs. Reed, we are here to deliver a resource that will open new horizons for each and every one of these students. A fully equipped computer room. This donation will include a room with 14 desktop computers, as well as 30 comfortable and colorful chairs, an air conditioning unit, and a multifunctional printer and scanner. Additional computers will be provided to use in the staff room and the library thanks to IQ Tech. As we hand over these computers, we do so with the firm belief that we will be used not just for learning, but for creating, for dreaming, because we believe in your dreams, your aspirations, and your ability to make a positive impact on the world. These computers are a symbol of our commitment to your future and a testament to the enduring friendship between the Dominican Republic and Jamaica. Students, embrace these computers as tools of empowerment. Let them be your companions in the quest of knowledge, creativity, and innovation. The future is in your hands. I myself can be a testament of the result of education. That's why this is a very sensitive subject to me, because I was born in a not rich family, for saying something right, with not too many opportunities. I get emotional because we see the results of education. And because I decide to take my future in my hand, I pursued education. I pursued excellence. I'm here as ambassador of my country in Jamaica. So believe in your dreams, work hard, stay curious, and let the flame of your ambition light the path to success. The world eagerly awaits the unique contributions that you can make. So spread your wings, chase your dreams. You are the architects of your destiny, and the world is ready to witness the greatness that you are destined to achieve. Yes.